Students, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope that all of you are keeping well. Please, third class, take your English textbook. Then we are going to learn the second chapter of our English class. Okay, we are going to learn the second chapter. Please take everyone the textbook. The chapter name is Bird Talk. The name of the chapter is Bird Talk. Do you see that there is two birds are there? One is full black. Okay. You see that one is full black. Then that is a boy. Okay. Boy bird. Okay. There is a picture of a boy. Then we can say that that is a boy. That bird is a boy. Then there is one small bird, black color and downside red color. You see that the picture of this bird? Then this is a girl. This is a girl bird. Okay, then here in this poem, this boy bird name is Robin. What is the name of the boy bird? Robin. Okay, now this girl name, this name of the girl of this bird is J. J-A-Y. Okay, J. Okay, then this is Robin. This is J. Then what they are doing? You see the picture? These both are talking. One is open the mouth. You see that this boy, Robin, open the mouth and she is listening. Okay, this Robin is open the mouth and she is listening, means they are talking. Okay, now we are going to see what they are talking. This Robin and Jay, what they are talking. Okay, the name of our chapter is Bird Talk. Means birds talking. Okay, these two birds are talking. Okay, now we are going to see the poem. Think, said the Robin. Think, said the jay. Okay, the Robin, this boy bird is saying think. Means think. You Hindi mein socho. Think, no? Think, said the Robin. Saying that Robin is saying you think. Then the ladki, this jay is saying think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden. Where they are sitting? Sitting in the garden, talking one day. They are talking one day. Where they are sitting? They are sitting in the garden. Okay, once more we will read. Think, said the Robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Okay. The next line. Then what they are thinking? Think about people. They are thinking about us. People means we. Okay. People. Think about people. The way they grow means how the people grow. How the people grow. Grow means growing. Big one. They are big. Like no, we are not like birds. No, we are like birds. No, we are growing every day. Small child, then students you become. After you become very grow. You will grow like a man. Then after you become old, okay, like that. But the birds are always small one. Okay, they are always small one. If like this, they will die also like this. Okay, small, very small one. Okay, then they are thinking about people, how the people one from the small they are growing. People are growing. Then what are other thing they are saying? They don't have feathers. Feathers means this one. You see that? This one. Feathers. Punk. Okay, in Hindi, punk. We have the feathers. No, we don't have. The man doesn't have feathers. Pang naye. At all, you know. Then this both Robin and Jay, they are talking that the people, for us, we don't have what? Feathers. feathers. Okay, feathers means pang. We don't have feathers. Okay, once more we will read. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Okay, next line. They don't eat beetles. They don't eat. The people don't eat. Eat matlab khana. Khana. Beetles. Beetles means a kid, insect. The people eat insect. No, they are saying that they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. And the people, they not eat kida and they don't have wings. Pang nahi hai. Okay, wings. Then they don't like sitting. Okay, they don't like sitting. The people don't like sitting. Where sitting? On wires and things. You see that the picture where the birds are sitting on the small branch of the tree. Okay, look this small branch. Small branch, very, very branch, small one. We can sit here? No, we cannot sit here. But the birds can sit. Then this downside you see that so many birds are sitting. This is one. What is this one? This one we can call wire. Means wire. Look, this wire small one, very thin. The people cannot sit. Then these birds are saying they cannot eat kida and they don't have panga. Then they cannot sit on wire and things. Okay. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Then they are saying, think, said the robin. Think, you think, said the robin. You think the jay. Aren't people funny? Like that, they are very funny. Funny means make us laugh. Make the things for laugh. For the bird, by seeing the people. Seeing the people, they are very funny. They laugh. These birds are laughing the people because we are very big. The birds are very small. Then they are saying that aren't people, are not people funny to be that way? The people are they make the bird laugh, smile. Okay, by seeing us, they smile. Okay, once more I will read. Okay, we can read together. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, said the think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things, said the robin. Things, said the jay. Aren't means are not people funny to be that way? Aren't people funny? Funny means make laugh, to be that way. Okay, please everyone read this chapter, third class, slowly. Please at least 5 or 6 times read. Okay, then at least 8 lines you should learn. 8 lines you should learn. Everyone should learn this poem. Okay, students. Now you take your fair copy, English fair copy, and write Unit 2, Bird Talk. The name of the chapter, Bird Talk. 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 Okay. Then write Word meaning. Okay, W-O-R-D, word. Then M-E-A-N-I-N-G, word meaning. Okay. First word, feathers. 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 How we will read? Feathers. The meaning is soft things that covers the bird's body. This is English meaning. In Hindi we will say pang. Okay, feathers, pang. Soft things that covers the bird's body. Okay, the second one is beetles. Beetles. Beetles meaning is insects. Insects in Hindi, keed. Okay. Third one is funny. Funny. Funny means makes laugh. Okay, makes laugh. Okay, please everyone. Now, the first question of the chapter. Okay, you are going to write the question answer. Please put the number 1 and write name the 2 birds in the poem. That poem we studied, there are 2 birds, no? But what is the name of the birds? Okay, question. Okay, name the 2 birds in the poem. Answer is Robin and Jay. R-O-B-I-N. Robin and Jay. J-A-Y. Okay, the second question. What are the 3 things that people can't do? Can't means cannot. What are the 3 things that people can't do? Okay. In the poem, the birds are saying that the people answer. The people cannot eat beetles. कीड़. हम कीड़ नहीं खाते हैं, no? The people can't eat beetles. Then they cannot grow wings. हम पंख नहीं है, no? हमारे लोग पंख नहीं है. Then they cannot grow wings. And the other one, they cannot sit on wires and things. Okay. Answer is the people can't eat beetles. They cannot grow wings and they cannot sit on wires and things. Okay, the third question. What do birds think of people? The birds, how they are thinking? The birds are thinking about the people that they are funny. They make us laugh. Okay, the birds saying that they make us laugh. The birds are thinking about the people that they are funny. F-U-N-N-Y. They are very funny. Okay, next you write in your fair copy short forms. Short forms. Okay, we studied in the poem some short form. The first one is can't. C-A-N. Then this apostrophe T. Okay, what is this word? This is a short form. Then how we will write? Cannot. Okay, this is full form. Cannot. Okay, the second word is didn't. Didn't. D-I-D, then N, then apostrophe, then T. Okay, what we will write? What we will the full form of this word? Did not. Okay, did not. Okay, then other word we saw that aren't. A-R-E-N-T. Aren't. Okay, what is the full form? Are not. Okay, are not. This is short form. This is a full forms. Okay. Another word is don't. You see the D-O-N, then apostrophe, then T. What we will call this word? apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe. Then the full form is do not. Okay, do not. Please, everyone, study this word meaning, poem, and this question answer, this short form also. Everyone study. Okay, students, copy also this one. Okay, thank you so much. Study well. Okay, students.